What's up, everybody? Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and we are on day 34 of our beginning 5K program. You guys are really rocking it. You're doing a great job. Let's get moving. All right. So today is a bump up day. That means you're going to be doing more than you did before. So this is going to be your toughest workout yet, but I know that you all can do it. And for the details, here's Coach Robin.
Yay, guys, it is Saturday, and you know what that means. That is our long workout day, and I am excited. Are you excited? I see you. I think you are excited too. So that means we are doing our 1-minute walk, our 4-minute run, and we are doing it 7 times. So that's 35 minutes. But I know that you rested your legs yesterday and you are as pumped up for this as I am. So I don't want to waste any more time. I'm going to get right to it because we got a good workout going on now today. I'm going to do my warm-ups, I'm going to run, and I am going to do my cool downs, and then I'll be back to see you in a couple, well, not a couple minutes, in about 40 minutes. See ya. What a great workout, guys. That was a good one for sure. I definitely got my heart going on that one, and I bet you did too. But I took it easy, you know, I didn't sprint. I just took it at my nice conversational pace, and I got through every single one of them. And I know you did too. So we earned our rest day tomorrow. I know that. You know the drill. Take it easy. It's Sunday. Actually, you know, why don't you just not do anything tomorrow? There's nothing wrong with, you know, just taking one day off completely and doing nothing. So that's what I'm probably going to do. But you can do what you want, and I will see you tomorrow. I'll check in on you and see what you're doing.
All right, you guys are all doing great. Tomorrow is going to be the halfway point. I mean, it is amazing, and it's actually a rest day, so you made it to halfway through the program. We're all proud of you. You guys are doing a fantastic job. And just wanted to say, if you do like this program, make sure you do hit that thumbs up button. Also, you know, put something in the comments how you're doing, how, you know, what do you like about the program, what do you not like about it. All that's going to be great so that we can do better. We can be better about what we do. So it'd be great if you could do that. Also, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that way you get all our healthy videos all our healthy living videos that we put out every week. So until tomorrow, you guys are really rocking it. We're really proud of you, and we will see you tomorrow. Have a good one, everybody. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.